Yellow friends, welcome back to Finch's class. My name is Job Jerome and I'm going to take you through P4 P5 worksheet for mathematics subject. So let's go straight out to the answers. Number 1 says find the sum of the first 4 counting numbers. So we are going to first list down the sum of the first 4 counting numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Those are the first 4 counting numbers. Remember, counting numbers start from 1. So after that we get our 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and that gives us 10. Let's go to number 2. You can see the figure and they have told us to answer the questions that follow. So that figure, part A, they have told us to find the value of y. The value of y. Now when you look at that figure, that is a rectangle, and a rectangle, 2 opposite sides are equal. Therefore our y is going to be y is equal to 5, because this side, the opposite side of y and the side of 5 are equal. After finding the value of y, we get to part B. Part B, they have told us to find the area of the figure. So since we know that it's a rectangle, what we're going to do, we're going to get area is the same as length times width, and after getting length times width, we get 5 times 4. So after getting 5 times 4, the answer is going to be 20 centimeters squared. Good. And then the perimeter, part C, find the perimeter of the figure. Perimeter is the same as saying length plus width plus length plus width. Okay, so our figures are 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4, and the answer is going to be 18 centimeters. Now perimeter does not have squared or whatever, it is only centimeters. Let's go to number 3. We are using less than, greater than or equal to complete the following statements. So the first one is 109 and 190. Now that one, 109 is less than 190, so we're going to use less than there. And then we have those 2 Roman numerals, XIX and XXI. Now the first one is 19 and the second one is 21. So 19 is less than 21. Then when we go to part C, we have 24 hours and 3 days. When you look at 24 hours, it just makes 1 day. So that means 24 hours is less than 3 days. Then part D, 100 centimeters and 4 meters. So when you look at 100 centimeters, it's less than 4 meters. Yes. And then we go to the next one, number 4. Work out 0.4 plus 2.6. So we start from the 10th. So we have 4 plus 6, which gives us 10, but of course we're going to write 0 and we carry 1. When we carry the 1, that means we have 1 plus 2, which gives us 3. So the answer is going to be 3.0. Then number 5, they have told us a pen costs 400 shillings. Find the cost of 2 similar pens. Now 2 similar pens, we know that 1 pen costs how much? 400 shillings. Therefore 2 similar pens, we're going to get 400 times 2, and that gives us 800 shillings. Then number 6, what is the product of 6 and 20? Whenever you hear the word product means multiplication. So we are going to get 20 times 6, and our answer is going to be 120. Yes. Then number 7, how many pairs can be formed in 18 mangoes? Now here you have to know that one pair has two objects. Therefore, we are going to get 18 divided by 2. And the answer is going to be 9 pairs. So we can form 9 pairs. Then number 8, write 246 in figures. To make this easy, we first write the values down. So we start with 200 plus 40 plus 6, and then we get 246 as our answer. Number 9, simplify. 3 out of 5 minus 1 out of 5. So what we do here, since they have the same denominator, so we just keep the denominator as 5, and then we we subtract the numerators. So when you get 3 minus 1, we are going to get 2. So the answer is going to be 2 out of 5. Then number 10, we are drawing the solid shapes here. So the first one is a cone, second one is a triangle, and the third one is a trapezium. So cone, triangle, then trapezium. So you draw those as you can see them on your screen there. Then number 11, they have told us to simplify. Y minus 3 is the same as 4. So what we do, we want to take 3 the other side. So what do? We get 3, we add 3 on both sides. So y minus 3 plus 3 gives us 4 plus 3. Now when you see y minus 3 plus 3, the 3's cancel because they are going to give us a 0. So we shall stay with y is the same as 3 plus 4, which gives us 7. And then the last number for today, number 12, we have that box which has digit, place, and value. So the digit is 4, and they have given us the value, which is also 4. So when they give us the value is 4, it means our place value is going to be ones. Yes, it's going to be ones because it is only one value, 4, isn't it? And then for the next part, we have 9, we have tens, and we don't have the value. So since the place value is tens, so we're going to get 10 times 9, and the answer for the value is going to be 90. Well, that's it for mathematics. We hope to see you in our next video, and for now we're saying have a nice time.